In this video, we're going to take a look at how to back up your WhatsApp messages and videos. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. I've got a great playlist that has all WhatsApp tips and tricks that you'll enjoy. So let's get stuck into this. So all we need to do is click the three dots in the top right hand corner and then click on Settings. From here we have the option under Chats that has Backup History Wallpaper. We're going to click on Chats. From there, near the end of the page, we have an option that says Chat Backup. If we click Chat Backup, it brings us to the backup options. So at the top here it says Last Backup, and it tells you the date and how it's been backed up. So it says here local time is 2 a.m. and Google Drive, it's never been backed up. So we can sort that out in a little minute. Just below that we've got the Google Drive settings, so we have the option to back up weekly, daily, monthly, or never, or only when I tap backup, so just manually. So we'll keep that as weekly. We've got our Gmail account that it's linked to, and you can choose to back up over Wi-Fi or mobile network. And then we have the ability at the bottom to include videos. So if we check this, so we've got 3.3 megabytes to be uploaded there. And then I'm just going to click the backup icon, the big green one. It says backing up messages, please wait. So I've just got under 100 megabytes of data to be uploaded to my Google Drive account. So what happens is, if you log on to your Google Drive account either via your phone or if you're on a computer or laptop, you'll be able to access those backups, and then we can use those when you want to recover your account onto another device or after you've wiped it. So that's how you back up your WhatsApp messages. See you in the next one.